Next, we have accounting rate of return. Okay, nawala yung number. So, accounting rate of return. So, remember what is our formula for the accounting rate of return. So, that's equivalent to accounting rate of return. Parehas na din na sila, ma'am. Average accounting rate of return. So, parehas na sila. Okay? So, this is your accounting rate of return. So, that's equivalent to average annual net income over your initial or average investment or average investment. Okay? So, how do we get the average annual net income? Okay, annual net income. Okay, so you have here in year one is here, you have the net income of 2,000 for year 1, 4,000 for year 2, and 6,000 for year 3. Since we need the average net income, so we need to average the 3 years. So, i-add ni mo siya 2,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000. So, that is, pila man 12,000 divided by 3 years. Kaya 3 man siya. So, you have 4,000 every year. So, this is our average annual net income. So, this would be our numerator. Okay, so you have numerator is 4,000. So, the denominator, it depends kung unsay you require sa problem. So, ingon siya, average accounting return. So, pag moingon siya nga based on initial investment or based on average investment. But if the problem is silent, you can use the initial investment. So, if we're using the initial investment, so based on initial investment, so 4,000 divided by, our investment here is the 12,000 nga cost. So divide by 12,000. So that would be, pila man ni siya, 33.33%. So that's our accounting rate of return. If it is based on average investment, so our ARR here would be 4,000 divided by 12,000 divided by 2. Silbing i-average nimo ang 12,000. So, mahimo siyang 4,000 divided by 12,000 divided by 2 is 6,000. So, that would be 4,000 divided by 6,000. So, that would be 66.67%. Pag i-average na nimo ang investment, ma-times 2 na siya adtong initial investment. 33.33 times 2. So, mahimo siyang 66.67. Okay? So, that is the answer for 3. Question number 3 ni siya. Next is, kani siya, dapat question number 4 na ni siya. Okay, question number 4. So, same question in the previous problem. Compute the ARR, but specify na nga based on initial investment. So, again, this is average annual net income over initial investment. Okay? So, remember how to use, how to determine the annual net income. So, the given here is annual cash inflows. Walay given nga annual net income. So, kung dili given siya, kinahanglan natong i-compute. So, remember, di ba, para makuha nimo ang cash inflows, di ba, ang formula sa cash inflows kay mag-start siya sa net income, and then i-adjust nimo ang depreciation. Okay? So, i-add nimo ang depreciation, and then you will get the net cash inflows. Since pabali ni siya, kinahanglan natong kuhaon ang ato ang net income. So, balihon. So, ang net income man ang gipangita diri, ang depreciation makompute man na nato, ang net cash inflow kay given. So, given ang net cash inflow, so that is 10,000. Ang depreciation na to is ato man na siyang makompute. Okay? So depreciation here can be computed. So again, how do we compute the depreciation? That's cost minus salvage value. And then, ang answer ana, i-divide mo sa useful life. So, our cost here is, kani siya, 65,000. Wala man siya salvage value, so i-divide ayon nimo sa useful life. Pero zero man yung salvage value. So the life is 20 years. So 65,000 divided by 20, 20 years, 20 years, 20 years. So 65 divided by 20, so every year na ay 3,250 nga depreciation. So you have 3,250. Okay? So since kani siya kay i-add man diri, ya kani po di-add, pero pag mo-work back ta, di ba, pasaka ta, di ba, balihon. So instead nga i-add, imuhang i-deduct. So 10,000, pasaka ta, nga i-add man siya sa normal nga computation. So pag pasaka na ta, i-minus. So bali, 10,000 minus 3,250. So that is 6,750. So let's check kung sakto ba. So, atong i-analyze 6,750, kung add ba siya og 3,250, mahimo ba siyang 10,000? So, yes. So, therefore, sakto ning 6,750. So, nanatay mabutang sa formula, 6,750. What is your initial investment? Kani siya, given man siya, so walay problema. So, 65,000. So, 6,750 divided by 65,000, that is 10.38%. So, what does this mean? Katong ARR, unsa may pasabutan na niya? This is how much you will get if you invest this in this kind of project. So, kung magpagawas kag kwarta nga worth 65,000 for a specific investment, ang makuha nimo every year coming from that investment would be 6,750. So, ma-measure nimo unsa may mabalik nimo, di ba? Kung ikaw ang investor, you're interested to know unsa may akong makuha, na ba ko'y makuha ani nga investment. So, if I invest 65,000 every year, I'm going to get 6,750 from my investment, and that is equivalent to 10.38% of my investment. So, depende na nimo kung okay na ba na nimo nga return or you want more or kulangan pa kaana. Then, what if it is based on average? So, again, if it is average, so kanirang denominator ang change. So, you have average annual net income over average investment. So, just simply complete the formula. Kani siya, i-divide by 2 kay average man. So, 65,000 divided by 2 is 32,500. And then 6,750. So 6,750 divided by 32,500. So that's 20.77 if we round it off. So 20.77 or times 2 ani. 10.38 times 2, that's 20.77 or 76 nga na. Kaya actually, ang iyahang exact rate kay 20.769. So this is how you will get the ARR. So this is how much you will get in nominal amount. Mao ni mo makuha kung mo invest ka. Next is average. So question number 5 na ni. Accounting rate of return gihapon. Accounting rate of return. So you have net investment and you have the annual income. So again, compute the ARR. So that's equivalent to average annual net income over initial investment. Our average annual net income here is given, so there's no problem. So just copy 20,000 and divide by the initial investment, which is also given. Okay? So walay problema. So just get the amounts and substitute. So 20 divided by 120, that's 16.67. Okay. Wala ka ma'am, sayo na raman na yan na. Okay, sayo na na siya pag given na ang problem. But here is the question, di ba? Toronto is considering an investment in Project A based on the following information. And remember na sila'y target. So, naa siya'y target nga ARR. Ang target niya kay 25%. So from this project and in project A, your ARR, what you are going to get from this investment is 16.67. And our target ARR is 25,000. 25,000, 25%, sorry. So 25%. So kanibang project, okay ba ni siya nga i-accept considering nga ang atong expected nga ARR should be 25%? So, unsa man tong decision rule regarding ARR, it should be greater, di ba? From your target ARR equal or greater than your target ARR. Kay kaning 25%, mo man gusto nimo unta nga makuha from your investment. And this is what you will get from this specific investment kaning project A. So kung 16.67% siya, wala siya kaabot sa imuhang target. So, wala na-meet imong expectations or wala ma-meet ang gusto sa investors. So, will you push through with the project considering 16.67% yang ARR? So, the answer would be no. Kaya nga no, mas dako man ang target ARR, so reject. Kay gusto man nato nga it should be equal or greater than our target. Kani gamay ra siya kumpara sa gusto sa mga tag-iya or gusto sa management. So, mana siya nga reject the project. Dili ka mo padayon aning project A. So, this is how it will be used, di ba? It's for decision making. So, pag makakompute ka ani, so imuhang ma-check kung worth it ba ang project.
If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated with the latest video lessons. Thank you for watching.